So I watched Biking Bird's helmet review on the Biltwell lane splitter on the weekend, and I seen his beard hanging out the bottom of the helmet, and I thought to myself, I wonder if I can do that. What's going on, guys? So today's video we're going to do a helmet review on the Simpson Ghost Bandit, and it's also going to be a little test video because I pulled the wind curtain flappy thing out the bottom of the helmet. And so after watching Biking Bird's video where he removed the wind curtain, or whatever the fuck you want to call it, off his Biltwell lane splitter, I thought, fuck it, I'm going to do that. So this isn't a first impressions video or anything, because I've had this helmet for quite a while now, but we can make it a long-term review. So here's 6 reasons why you should buy a Simpson Ghost Bandit helmet. Number 1, it is by far the best, coolest, toughest, angriest motherfucking helmet on the market, in my humble opinion. I think they just nailed the design 100% when they made this thing. It's just fucking cool. It looks tough. So that's number 1. Number 2, comfort. It is extremely comfortable on my melon. So intermediate oval, I think, is the actual term or description for my head shape, which is also big because I'm an XL in helmets. And so size chart, when I watched all the reviews before I tipped in and bought this thing, everyone was saying to go down a size to what you usually run, but there's nowhere in Australia where I could actually try one of these on. So I just went off their sizing chart online, and I still bought the XL, and I'm glad I did because it's perfect. It's a great fit. Number 3 would be ventilation. I live in tropical North Queensland, sunny Townsville, so it's pretty fucking hot up here in summer, and you need a helmet that's gonna breathe, you know, so you don't deep fry your brain. This thing's got vents all over it. There's 2 in the front chin piece that you can open and close, which is a big benefit from the lane splitter, so you can't do that. Also has vents on the top, which is like an exhaust vent to let the hot air out from the top of your melon. So that is a bonus. It does breathe very well, and it's not at all uncomfortable. If you're sitting stationary like anything black sitting on top of your head, it's going to get hot, but as soon as you get that air moving, man, it's perfect. Number 4, this thing is designed to work with Bluetooth headsets. It does have the cutaway pocket there for the speakers. So I run the Sena 30K, and it's made for that thing, man. Like, it's got the little areas you can put the Velcro speakers in, hide the wiring in there, and away you go. The Sena mounts up perfectly on the left hand side of the helmet. It's easily accessible, so that was another big plus. I definitely wanted that to be a feature in the helmet when I was looking at helmets to buy. Number 5 would be all the little gadgets and shit. Like, it's got the pin lock visors, so if you have a problem with your shit fogging up on you, you can put those pin locks in. I haven't had to worry about it, but I did change the main visor to the dark smoke because it's sunny up here, and why not? And the inside one I changed to an amber. So the Simpson Ghost Bandit has a little visor inside the main visor that comes down sort of like a fighter pilot looking thing, and yeah, I changed that to the amber lens. So if I'm riding at night and don't have any clears with me, I can just open up the main visor, drop down the amber one, and not be worried about getting smashed in the face by bugs and copping one in the eye. Alright, so number 6, that reason would be quality. Like when you lock down the visor, it stays down, it doesn't move, there's no fiddly adjustment or anything at all. You can lock it in place if you need to, but I've never had to do that, and I've had this helmet for be close to a year now, I reckon. But I love it. You can pop it, you can, you know, different stages of how high you want the visor up, it can do all that, and it doesn't fucking move. So you're probably thinking, what's the negatives? There's got to be something wrong with it. And truthfully, man, no, there's nothing I don't like about this helmet. The only thing people can bag a Simpson helmet out for, well, previous to the Ghost Bandit, would be ventilation and all that sort of stuff. They're a drag racing brand, you know, like that's what they make. But yeah, they really picked up their game with the street side of things with the Ghost Bandit. So there's nothing I don't like about it. It's fucking perfect. Up until I removed the wind curtain or chin curtain, whatever it's fucking called, I hated that. That sucked ass, because I call it the fucking beard crusher. It used to put a line in your beard, and that fucker was there for hours. It really used to piss me off. But now I've pulled that out, as long as the audio is good, which I'm hoping it is, fingers crossed. Yeah, that would be the only downfall. People are going to say it's too dear, but man, don't be a tight ass. Like, you get what you pay for, and if you save up a few extra bucks, don't buy the lane splitter, buy this. You'll be fucking glad you did, because you will find shit you don't like with nearly every helmet in the world, but not this one. And I'm not paid, or I don't even know anyone at Simpson, so I'm just giving an honest opinion on this, and it's by far the best fucking helmet I've ever owned. I love it. So while I'm just riding around blabbing shit, I'd like to give a bit of a shout out to Knuckles TV. Knuckles, I watched your live Nanny Nights video the other day. Oh, it was 10:30 in the morning over here. So yeah, not exactly night time, but I just wanted to say good on you, man. Fucking, you're doing great things. I love your channel, I love watching your videos. All the little shout outs and everything you do for the smaller up and coming channels, like we all are. We've only just started doing this, and man, it definitely helps get the word out of all these guys. Everyone makes quality content. You're all good dudes, and I like watching all that shit, you know. So you're doing good things, Knuckles. You and Brando from the Alpha Core, and Doyle from Blue Bike and Doyle, I'm going to send you dudes some a little gift package, so you can have a little bit of a taste of our beer up here in North Queensland. Hopefully Customs will let me get it through the mail for you. But yeah, that'll be cool. Hope you blokes enjoy a bit of Aussie beer. We don't all drink Foster's, despite popular opinion. That shit is a myth. It's not a bad beer, but yeah, no one fucking drinks it. Oh, here you go. This is totally unrelated, but on Saturday night, I think it was, out where I live out of town, I was walking outside, I was coming back to the house from the shed, and I heard a fucking train, horns and shit going off, and a big ass fucking smash. And there was a car that got hit by a train on the train tracks, like not far from my joint. So the next morning on my way to work, I stopped and took a couple of photos, so I'll chuck them on the screen so you can see what happens when you get hit by a train. And that shit's pretty fucking nasty. Well, there you go, guys. That's my opinion on the Simpson Ghost Bandit helmet. Hope you found that helpful if you're thinking about getting one, and if you're not, you're in the market for a full face, definitely have a squiz. Very cool product. Alright, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it that one. If I haven't already got a subscribe out of you, headbutt that subscribe button. Press the little bell if you want to know when I'm chucking a new one up. and I'll catch you later, eh? See you guys.